尊敬的各位领导、各位来宾、女士们、先生们，大家上午好！欢迎各位在百忙之中抽空莅临北京凯宾斯基饭店，参加中坦“一带一路”医药卫生与健康投资论坛。我是今天论坛的主持人韩飞，来自于中央电视台。I'm Han Fei from CCTV. Welcome you.
Habari za asubuhi waheshimiwa. Good morning, Your Excellencies, Honorable Minister of Health, the Ambassador to China of Tanzania, and ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to the first China Belt and Road Health Investment here at the Kempinski, Beijing. My name is Minisha, and I'll be your host today.
好。谢谢美妮莎。其实今天呢，我跟美妮莎有过非常深入的聊天。美妮莎呢是听不懂中文，但是她非常努力的在追着我的中文节奏，会完成今天的主持工作。我们在这里给美妮莎一些掌声，谢谢。我相信今天这样的一次合作，不仅仅是我跟美妮莎之间的友谊，更是中坦之间的一次友谊。So I think the friendship is just not only you and I, is between China and Tanzania.
Yes, it is.
好，那今天一开始呢，请允许我为大家花一点时间介绍一下今天我们活动的主办方以及各种给了大量帮忙的单位。本次论坛由坦桑尼亚联合共和国驻中国大使馆与坦桑尼亚联合共和国卫生部主办，北京吸引力文化传播有限公司承办，辅仁药业集团有限公司冠名赞助，中非发展基金、中国医药保健品进出口商会、中非产能合作基金、百信药业集团、珠海同源药业有限公司、崇瑞道健康管理、宁夏黑龙江商会协办，北京明宇丽雅饭店、北京重庆企业商会、中国医药商会协会、修正药业集团、嘉美口腔医院管理有限责任公司、蒲公英领导力研究院、利健药业集团和中控北斗控股集团有限责任公司支持举办。
The forum is hosted by the Embassy of the United Republic of Tanzania in China, Ministry of Health of United Republic of Tanzania, in partnership with Beijing Shi Yinli Cultural Communication Co. Limited, and was sponsored by Foreign Pharmaceutical Group Co. Limited, China Development Fund, and Chinese Medicine and Health Products, Exporters Association, China-Africa Capacity Cooperation Fund, Beijing Pharmaceutical Group, Zhuhai Homegrown Pharmaceuticals Co. Limited, Chungroi Road Health Management, Ningxia Hailongjia Chamber of Commerce, Beijing Mingyu Li Hotel, Beijing Chongqing Enterprises of Commerce, China Pharmaceuticals, Business Association, the Revised Pharmaceutical Group, Jiangming Stomatological Hospital Management Co. Limited, Dandelion Leadership Research Institute, Lianjin Pharmaceutical Group, and Zhongkong Beidou Holding Group supported the organization.
朋友们， 中国和坦桑尼亚呢，在1964年的时候已经都建交了。而我们今天活动的主题呢是“一带一路”。我们都知道，“一带一路”是2013年中华人民共和国国家主席习近平先生提出的倡议，为的是“一带一路”国家共同实现繁荣。1964年中坦建交以来，中坦有着非常非常多的美好的故事。我随便举2个例子吧。在上世纪70年代的时候，有6万的中华儿女到了坦桑尼亚，建造了举世闻名的坦赞铁路。另外呢，中国也派出了很多的医疗队伍到达坦桑尼亚援坦。我听说到现在为止，依然有一首歌叫做《医疗队员到坦桑》，据说这首歌在坦桑尼亚已经传颂了近半个世纪了。
The Belt and Road Initiative is an initiative of His Excellency Xi Jinping, President of the People's Republic of China, which was established in 2013. It is the core content to promote infrastructure and connectivity to link national policies and development strategies, deepening pragmatic cooperation to promote and coordinate development and achieving common prosperity. China and Tanzania have enjoyed excellent bilateral relations, and since the establishment of the diplomatic relation in 1964. In the 1970s, 60,000 Chinese brothers and sisters joined in Tanzania for building the world-famous Tanzania-Zambia railway station. China also sent a team of medical teams to aid Tanzania cure diseases and develop health. To this date, there are still many medical team members active in the land of Tanzania.
2013年3月的时候，中国国家主席习近平先生访问坦桑尼亚，两国元首决定建立互利共赢的全面合作伙伴关系，为两国关系注入了新的活力和动力。为了进一步深化中坦两国在医药卫生领域的务实合作，坦桑尼亚驻华大使馆和坦桑尼亚卫生部特别举办了本次论坛。
In March 2013, His Honorable President Xi Jinping of the People's Republic of China met with His Excellency President Jakaya Kikwete of Tanzania to establish comprehensive cooperative partnership of mutual benefit, win-win results, which strengthened relations between the two countries. In order to further deepen the practical cooperation between China and Tanzania in the field of medicine and health, the Tanzanian Embassy in China and the Ministry of Health of Tanzania specially hosted this forum.
接下来，请允许为大家来隆重介绍一下今天到场的各位重要来宾。让我们欢迎出席今天活动的坦桑尼亚联合共和国驻华大使姆贝尔·瓦凯鲁基先生。
Present at the forum today is Ambassador of Tanzania, Mbelwa Kairuki.
Welcome. 让我们欢迎坦桑尼亚卫生部长乌米瓦利姆女士。
Minister of Health, Umi Mwalimu.
同时也要欢迎部长女士带领的坦桑尼亚医药采购司和食品药品监督管理局政府代表团与联合国艾滋病规划署、坦桑尼亚投资中心、坦桑尼亚制药工业协会等机构组织的高级代表团，欢迎你们 ，Welcome。
Also present are Tanzanian Investment Center, USAID, Medical Stores Department, Tanzania Foods and Drug Authority, Tanzania Association of Pharmaceutical Industry, China Africa Fund for Industrial Cooperation, China Chamber of Commerce for Import and Export Medical and Health Products, and China African Development Fund.
同时呢，中非发展基金、中国医药保健品进出口商会、中非产能合作基金、辅仁药业集团、复星医药等中方的杰出机构和医药卫生领域的领军企业都参加了本次活动，欢迎你们。好，那接下来的时间呢，就要让我们掌声有请坦桑尼亚联合共和国驻华大使姆贝尔·瓦凯鲁基先生致辞。
Without further ado, we'd like to welcome Ambassador of Tanzania, Mbelwa Kairuki.
Welcome， 欢迎。
Ladies and gentlemen, let me start by welcoming you all to Beijing and to the first China-Tanzania Belt and Road Health Investment Forum. Ninshimen, Shenshimen, Xia Wao, Wang Yi Daja di Wang Lin Shun Yi, Beijing, Yi Yao, Wei Shen Tuzi Luntan. 我很高兴许多来自中国和当上你的老朋友，希望地基每时代希望如意堂。我就到处东中国朋友希望健康广国的力量。 Jin Ben Siluntan, Lui Shi Won Shen Biao Shi. Ndugu zangu wa Tanzania mliopo hapa, niruhusu nitumie fursa hii kuwakaribisha sana hapa katika Jamhuri ya Watu wa China. Poleni kwa safari ndefu ya kutoka nyumbani na hongereni kwa utekelezaji wa majukumu ya ujenzi wa taifa. Mheshimiwa Waziri, karibu sana katika Jamhuri ya Watu wa China. Na ndugu zangu wengine kutoka serikalini na sekta binafsi, karibuni sana. Na wengi wenu ninafahamu mlikuwa katika Jamhuri ya Korea jana tu kwa ajili ya shughuli kama hii, lakini mmeweza kupata nafasi ya kuja hapa Beijing kwa ajili ya kujumuika nasi katika mkutano wa kuvutia uwekezaji wa viwanda vya madawa katika jiji la Beijing. Hivyo niwashukuru sana na niwakaribishe sana. Ladies and gentlemen, my task this morning is very small. I'm here to introduce our distinguished guests who are present here this morning to join the Minister for Health, Honorable Ulmi Ali Mwalimu, at the first Tanzania-China Belt and Road Health Investment Forum. May I start by recognizing the presence of Professor Mohamed Bakari Kambi, who is the Chief Medical Officer. Also with us, we have Madam Sande Amakobe, UNAIDS Country Representative in China. We also have Mr. Geoffrey Mwambe, Executive Director of Tanzania Investment Center. Also, to get to this morning, we have my dear friend, Mr. Wang Yong, Vice President of China-Africa Development Fund. Also, we have Mr. Wang Jinglong, the General Manager of China-Africa Fund for Industrial Cooperation. Also, we have Mr. Laurian Lugambwa, Director of Medical Stores Department. Also, we have Madam Agnes Sita Kijo, the Acting Director General of Tanzania Foods and Drugs Authority. Also, we have Mr. Meng Dongping, Vice President of Chamber of Commerce for Import and Export of Medicine and Health Products. Madam. Also, we have Madam Betty Xu, the President of Beijing Xin Culture Communication. Also, we have distinguished members from the government, heads of institutions from JKCI, ORCI, MOI. We have chief pharmacists, we have senior officials from the Ministry of Industry and Trade, but also, more importantly, we have distinguished members of the business community from Tanzania. Ladies and gentlemen, our meeting is taking place 2 weeks ahead of much anticipated China and Africa Forum that will take place here in Beijing. Also, we are meeting 2 days before the China-Africa High-Level Conference on Health that will also take place here in Beijing. Therefore, Our meeting is a vivid example of a practical engagement between China and Africa, and a proof to the critics that FOCAC is indeed a significant platform that provides opportunity for meaningful engagement at different levels, with the ultimate objective to forge a win-win cooperation. We are very much grateful to His Excellency President Xi Jinping for upgrading this year's FOCAC meeting into a summit. Tanzania is looking forward to participate at this summit. Honorable Minister, ladies and gentlemen, as already said by our hosts, that Tanzania and China have enjoyed excellent bilateral relations in the last 54 years. When anyone talks of China-Africa relations, cannot avoid to refer to Tanzania-China relations due to the iconic Tansa-Tielu, the Tazara Railway, that was built with the support of Chinese brothers and sisters back in the 70s. Since then, Tanzania has continued to enjoy strong cooperation with China. That is why, in the year 2013, His Excellency President Xi Jinping, when he came to office, the first country that he visited in Africa was Tanzania. And there is where he announced the China-Africa policy of cooperation. Indeed, that was a clear testimony that Tanzania and China enjoys all-weather friendship and strategic partnership. Ladies and gentlemen, let me assure you that the current government under His Excellency John Pombe Magufuli is committed to attract more Chinese investments from both public and private sector, especially in pharmaceutical industries. One of the President Magufuli's main agenda is to put in place a conducive environment that will enable investments from all over the world to come into Tanzania. This morning you will hear from the Minister and other distinguished members of the government that will share with you the measures that has been taken to attract investment into Tanzania. Ladies and gentlemen, let me also take this opportunity to inform you that Tanzania is among the Belt and Road countries. We are therefore committed to implementation of this visionary, innovative, and practical initiative by President Xi Jinping. Tanzania is also among the 4 pilot countries in Africa for industrial cooperation. In this regard, we have signed the agreement on production capacity cooperation with the National Development and Reform Commission of China. We are ready for the implementation and we look forward to receiving increased volume of industrial investments from China. Let me also assure both the Chinese and Tanzanian enterprises present here this morning, your decision to invest in Tanzania has the full support not only of the government of Tanzania, but also of the Chinese government under the Forum for China-Africa Cooperation. That is why, amidst this gathering today, we have a high-level representation of 2 very important institutions, namely the China-Africa Development Fund, which has been established exclusively to invest in Africa. Also, we have amongst us China-Africa Fund for Industrial Cooperation. This is a newly established fund that its aim purpose is to invest in Africa, but also to provide financing for projects in Africa. You will have an opportunity to listen from them soon, so stay tuned. Also, we have amongst us the key institutions which are responsible for pharmaceutical industry in Tanzania and investment in general. We have CEOs here of Tanzania Foods and Drugs Authority, Medical Stores Department, Tanzania Investment Center. So you will listen from them on what Tanzania has to offer as far as investment environment. So whatever you want to know about investment, regulation, pharmaceutical, please feel free to interact with them as they are here just for that. And more importantly, ladies and gentlemen, we have members of business community from Tanzania who are engaged in the pharmaceutical industry. They are in different categories of pharmaceutical value chain. All of them, they are ready to cooperate with the Chinese enterprises to support the agenda of President Magufuli on investing in the health and pharmaceutical sector of Tanzania. Allow me, Honorable Minister, to conclude my remarks by thanking Madam Betty Xu and her entire crew, Beijing Xiyin Culture Communication, for organizing today's event. They have worked tirelessly in the last 1 month putting together this event. To them all, I say, Sheshe. I also thank CAD Fund for partnering with us from day one. They gave us guidance, they gave us ideas, but also they invited some of their partners to join this forum today. And more than that, they are more than willing to invest with any Chinese enterprise that is ready to go to invest in Tanzania. So to them, I say thank you very much. I also thank our sponsors, including Pashun Group, Zuwai Tongyong Pharmaceutical, Jitao Foreign Pharmaceutical, and many more. All of them, they've been very supportive to our cause. And I've not forgotten China Africa Industrial Fund. They are also more than willing. They are ready to invest in Tanzania. And last but not least, I would like to thank the entire staff of the embassy for working around the clock to prepare this event in the midst of other ongoing preparations for the high-level meetings, including the FOCAC summit that will take place in less than 2 weeks. Let me conclude, ladies and gentlemen, by welcoming Chinese to follow the One Belt, One Road philosophy along the path that leads to Tanzania as the landing beachhead on the eastern seaboard of Africa. Because, ladies and gentlemen, geography has made our country the natural logistics hub that can give your companies entry into the whole of sub-Saharan Africa. Therefore, I say come to Tanzania and access all those markets. To you all, I say, Wang Yi Da Jia Dao Tanzania. Sheshe.
谢谢大使先生的精彩致辞。接下来，我们掌声有请坦桑尼亚卫生部长乌米瓦利姆女士。